Unlock a high-end student accommodation at Here Seattle, your sanctuary in the heart of vibrant Seattle. Choose from a wide array of spacious 1, 2, 4, and 5-bedroom apartments, each fully furnished to fulfill your needs. Curl up in a cozy bed, tackle heaps of laundry with the in-unit washer and dryer, and let the dishwasher deal with the dirty utensils. All-inclusive utility bills mean no surprise bills ever. Plus, adulting made simple with Safeway Grocery on site. There's indoor bike storage for your wheels. Enter beast mode at the private fitness room or the 24-hour fitness center. Head to the hot tub courtyard with a fire pit for some downtime with friends. Your safety is ensured with round-the-clock surveillance and video doorbells. Roll to campus with ease with the University of Washington and Seattle Pacific University only a short drive away. Plus, travel the city with nearby bus stops like Northeast 45th Street and Roosevelt Way Northeast. So, upgrade your uni experience and grab your spot at Here Seattle now with amberstudent.com.